Imagine a place where clouds kiss the earth, where lush emerald greenery stretches as far as the eye can see, where the air is so pure it rejuvenates your soul. Welcome to Shillong, the crown jewel of Meghalaya, India. Picture yourself strolling down the undulating hills, the morning sun casting an ethereal glow on the dew-kissed foliage. The rhythm of your footsteps punctuates the symphony of nature, the rustling of leaves, the chirping of birds, the gurgling of crystal-clear streams. You're not just observing Shillong, you're experiencing it. Now envision a bustling marketplace, brimming with vibrant colors, aromatic spices, and the chatter of locals. Every corner reveals a new treasure: hand-woven textiles, intricately carved wooden artifacts, local produce so fresh it practically sparkles. You're not just shopping in Shillong, you're immersing yourself in its rich culture. As night falls, the cityscape transforms into a mesmerizing tableau of twinkling lights, reflected in the serene waters of Umiam Lake. The distant hum of a live band wafts through the cool evening air, a reminder of Shillong's thriving music scene. You're not just visiting Shillong, you're living it. And as you venture further, the sights and sounds of Shillong meld into a harmonious blend. You'll hear the thunderous roar of elephant falls, feel the chilling mist of the sacred forests, taste the unique flavors of Khasi cuisine, and see the breathtaking expanse of the panoramic view from Shillong Peak. Every sense is engaged, every moment is a memory in the making. In the span of these 3 minutes, we've journeyed through the captivating sights and sounds of Shillong. From its rolling hills and bustling markets to its tranquil lake and vibrant nightlife, this city is a sensory feast, a microcosm of Meghalaya's exquisite beauty. Shillong isn't just a place on the map. It's a symphony of experiences, a canvas of cultures, a testament to nature's grandeur. So as we conclude this journey, remember, to truly understand Shillong, you don't just see it. You live it, you breathe it, you feel it. Because Shillong isn't just a destination, it's a way of life.